Okay. So the AI contest for category uh, 2 is chatbot. So you are going to build a intelligent companion using a machine learning for kids. Okay. So in this AI contest, students will use the machine learning for kids platform. So machine learning for kids, it's a AI tool. It's a kind of artificial intelligence tool. You can build a lot of machine learning project using this machine learning for kids platform. So in this platform, you can create the chatbots. The participants will learn about machine learning, natural language processing, and these are the skills uh, for developing the chatbot, and you can create the chatbot using this machine learning for kids software. So for this chatbot, we have two different themes. So the first theme is a language learning buddy. We have to create a chatbot which is designed to help users practice a new language through a conversation, vocabulary, quizzes, grammar tips, and cultural insights. So for this language learning buddy, you have to create a chatbot which helps to practice a new languages. Okay, whether if you are going to create a chatbot which helps to practice a Hindi or any other English or Tamil, you can create the language learning buddy. So the second theme is a educational assistant. So it is completely based on the assistant for your educational purpose. You have to create a chatbot that provide your homework help or explanation of your complex concepts or subject-specific resources, flashcard or study tips or and process tracking. So you can use this educational assistant theme. You can create your chatbot assistant for answering your questions. Let's say you are making a teacher assistant which help for science or other subject. Yeah. So the final rules and regulation of this chatbot creation is students should use machine learning for kids only with a Scratch. In this machine learning for kids, we have Scratch interface. So along with the machine learning for kids, you can easily access your Scratch interface. So that we will have the learning session for this machine learning for kids. So we'll definitely explain you how you are using machine learning for kids along with your Scratch interface. We'll definitely explain you in that learning session, or you can go and explore machine learning for kids in online. So the learning session will be announced. The learning session for this coding and artificial intelligence concept will be announced in the WhatsApp group soon. Okay. So the video submission, after creating the chatbot, you have to submit the video showing how the chatbot is working. You have to present entire working model of your chatbot in that specified format. And creativity and originality, the chatbot and the video should reflect original ideas and showcase the student's own thought, even with AI assistant. Okay. The time limit, you have to submit the chatbot which I mean the coding along with the video must be submitted by the competition deadline. So the video submission format. So you have to start the video along with your introduction about you, your grade and your school, and your brief introduction about your and your contest. Okay. So and for the chatbot creation, you have to show the entire functionality of your chatbot, how your chatbot is supporting efficiently as your helping buddy. So the final, you have to share the final insights and your learnings on what are the challenges you faced at the end of your video. So the video requirement is finally the video length is maximum of 3 minutes. The accepted video format is MP4 or AVI or MOV. So the video submission, as we discussed in multiple times, you have to upload the video in the Google Drive and kindly given the video access uh, along with your view link access, or you can submit it in your YouTube channel and you just share the link. So the submission, upload the video along with your the chatbot code in the designated submission portal. Language, any language you can use for presenting you in that video, but we have preferred English, but you can speak any. So the final selection criteria for this chatbot creation is 30 points for chatbot creativity. How you are creatively added a lot of thoughts and questions in your chatbot. 40 points for functionality and clarity. How you're working efficiently and how it's delivering the for your questions. 20 points for your chatbot engagement and 10 points for your video. So yeah, finally, creativity it stands for your uniqueness and how you are presenting a concept. So jury decision is